The smart way to protect your heart. To protect your heart, it is essential to adopt a combination of healthy habits and lifestyle changes. Here are some key steps you can take. 1. Stay away from cigarettes. Cigarette smoke contains over 7,000 chemicals that can damage your heart and blood vessels, leading to cardiovascular disease. Quitting smoking can significantly reduce your risk of heart attack and stroke. 2. Limit your alcohol intake. Excessive alcohol consumption can raise triglyceride levels, blood pressure, and increase the risk of heart failure and stroke. Men should limit themselves to 1 or 2 drinks per day, while women should limit themselves to 1 drink per day. 3. Eat healthy. A balanced diet is crucial for heart health. Focus on fruits and vegetables. Eat a variety of these to get essential vitamins and minerals. Whole grains. Choose whole grains over processed foods. Healthy proteins include lean proteins like fish and beans. Healthy fats. Use all. 4. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can significantly reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, such as brisk walking. 5. Manage your stress. Stress can increase your heart rate and blood pressure, leading to physical and emotional strain. Practice stress management techniques to maintain a healthy heart. 6. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for heart health. Aim for at least 7 hours of sleep per night to help regulate blood pressure and blood sugar levels. 7. Control cholesterol and blood pressure. Regularly check your cholesterol and blood pressure levels and work with your doctor to manage them effectively. High blood pressure and high cholesterol are significant risk factors for heart disease. 8. Enjoy heart-healthy foods. Include foods rich in omega-3s, antioxidants, and fiber in your diet. Examples include salmon, tuna, olive oil, walnuts, almonds, edamame, and tofu. 9. Consult your doctor. Before making any significant lifestyle changes, consult your doctor to assess your risk factors and get personalized advice on how to improve your heart health. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease and maintain a healthy heart.